guys, welcome to the Ferrarist. Okay, so today we have got unboxing video for Tomica limited vintage Ferrari model, and I'll get to that later. So firstly, thanks to miniaturetoyshop.com for sending me through this particular turntable. I grabbed it from their store, and you can do the same. I think it's selling at 1599 and they still have stock for it. So I think if anybody wants to have a nice display for their cars, right, when they're doing some kind of video like I am trying to do now, I think this is a very nice piece. It's by Liberty Walk. Okay, now getting to the actual piece. This is what I got today. It came home finally after a long wait. It was on pre-order, and I think this came out sometime last month end, and it reached me today. Alright, so this is the blue color. There is a red color which was released last year, if I'm not wrong. I think that's a very beautiful piece. I'll do something, I'll do a video about it separately. So this is the 365 GTB4. It's got a nice story behind it. This is also called the Ferrari Daytona, right? And that is not really an official name by Ferrari. Ferrari always said that this is 365 GTB4. It's not the Daytona. We don't call that the Daytona. So it's just a name that probably was picked up by the press, and it was an unofficial name, and it kind of stuck to this car. Okay, so this car is basically a two-seater, right? And it's a Grand Tourer by Ferrari, and it was in between 1968 and 1973. And Grand Tourer is basically a general term, right, which is used for sports cars, and it's for those cars which are kind of designed for high speed, long distance, like the Le Mans and the Daytonas and all. Okay, so this has got two variants. One is this Pollinator that we're going to see now, and there is another one which is the Spider. So that's GTS4, and I think they have a red edition also for that, so I'll probably showcase that separately. Alright, now coming to the name, right? This name, as I said, was kind of reported unofficially by the media, and that is because this was one of the cars which was the 1, 2, 3 podium finish in the race of 1967, 24 hours of Daytona, right? And it's got a traditional front engine rear drive kind of a model, and the engine which was known as the P3, right, was developed from the earlier version, which was the Colombo V12, and it was there in the 275 GTB4. So this is kind of an advanced version of 275. Okay, now this is a 5-speed manual. It's a rear manual transmission, and it is kind of for optimizing the weight distribution. So this was designed in Pininfarina, and it was done by Leonardo Fioravanti. So if you know Fioravanti, he had also designed the Dino Ferrari earlier. So it's very popular car, and he's a very popular designer. I think he kind of changed the kind of the roundish look of earlier Ferrari cars, and he kind of brought in the the lines and all, so they kind of killed the curves in order to make it look a bit more chiseled. Alright, so why don't we jump into this particular video and kind of do the unboxing of this specific casting. This is by Tomica limited vintage, and it's got a nice packaging. I love the packaging that they do with these Ferraris. It makes it look very unique, elite. Alright, so as usual they've got these pieces which are always like attachments. I don't really like to attach them to the cars because you can mess it up badly if you don't face them well. So I just leave it as it is. Alright, so here you go. That's the blue version. It's a very beautiful paint, I must say that. I mean, it's the red one that they had is not really having these flakes. There's some kind of a paint job which is not really a solid paint, but it has got a automotive touch to it. It looks very, very nice. If you can see it close, you can probably bring it a bit closer. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so firstly, I think the front side looks very nice, and some of the recent TLBs, I can see they're just painting the headlights. This is definitely not one of them. It's got a nice clear plastic, the indicators as well, very nicely done. Nice logo finish. We'll come to the openable part later. Alright, and you can see over here nice exhaust pipes. I think this is plastic. Yeah, this is not metal, but this is plastic. Nice, good looking tail lights, which is also nice. It's not just a paint job, which is a good thing, right? And yeah, usual license detailing over here at the base. Nice wheels, typical Ferrari wheels, and they do a good job. These Tomica guys are doing a good job with the wheels. Love these wheels. Alright, now coming to the interior, very well done. I must say it's very well done. It's not like the ones we saw on Kyosho earlier, right? Kyosho, you barely could see anything because everything is black inside and there's nothing visible. This has got a very nice dashboard. See the black dashboard out there and the beige colored seats. Very well done. Very nicely visible. Okay, now coming to the engine. See that? Very nice. Could have done a bit more detailing, I must say. There's a lot of plastic going on, maybe some silver paint or something. I don't know how exactly the engines look like, but I would think there's more metal to that engine and not so much black. They've got a little bit of metallic paint out there going on. But otherwise, I think it's fine. For a 1/64 scale, I would definitely not complain much. Yeah. Alright, so that's about it. I think very well done car. I'll get the red edition once again, probably in another video one of these days. And that's it from my side. Yeah, anything else you want to know about this car, definitely feel free to comment and I'll definitely respond. And until then, kindly do subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing in a lot of more videos of my cars from my collection, and you can probably see whether you like something, you want to pick something, definitely you can take my opinion or maybe ask around as well. That's about it from my side. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.